Hello students. Now only one topic was remaining in chapter 2, which is the difference between fixed capital and working capital. So you already know what is fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital is that part of capital which is invested in business for a long time and which is required to buy fixed assets. Whereas working capital is that part of capital which is required for day-to-day operations of an enterprise and which is converted into cash in a cyclical manner, and again that with that cash again more working capital is acquired. So let's see what are the differences between those. So the time period for which fixed capital is required is long term, and for working capital it is short term, because working capital is converted in cash and again with that cash working capital is bought. So but fixed capital is required for buying fixed assets which are kept in business till liquidation, like plant and machinery, building, trademarks, patent rights, furniture, etc. are kept in business for a long time. So it is required for long term and working capital is required for short term. The purpose of fixed capital is to buy fixed assets for long term, and money needed to buy current assets are called working capital, like buying raw materials or maintenance materials. All these come in working capital. Whereas money needed to buy plant and machinery, building, all these are fixed assets. The nature of fixed capital that it remains sunk in business. Remains sunk in business means remains in business for a long time, and it cannot be sold or converted into cash easily, like land, building, or plant and machinery. All these cannot be converted to cash at a quick notice. But working capital evolves in business in cyclical manner. It becomes cash sometimes, and again cash is used for acquiring more working capital. Again, source of fixed capital is shares, debentures, and long-term loans, because it cannot be repaid quickly. So it is raised through issuing shares, debenture, or term loans. Again, for working capital, finance is raised through short-term loans from bank, trade credits like from suppliers, and sometimes shares and debentures are also issued for this purpose. So these are all the basic differences between fixed capital and working capital. Thanks.